Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you want to become an AI engineer, machine learning engineer, or simply understand how modern AI like ChatGPT actually works, then you are in the right place. On this channel, we'll learn artificial intelligence from the ground up step by step, using simple explanations, practical examples, and real-world projects. You don't need to be an expert. We'll start from the basics and gradually move toward advanced AI concepts. Before we begin today's lesson, let me show you what we are going to learn in this series. Phase 1 AI Foundations. What is artificial intelligence? Machine learning versus deep learning, neural networks, transformers, large language models, LLMs. Phase 2 Generative AI. How ChatGPT works. Prompt engineering, embeddings, vector databases, retrieval, augmented generation, RAG, fine-tuning. Phase 3 AI agents, tool calling, function calling, MCP, model context protocol, multi-agent systems, autonomous AI agents. Phase 4 Building real AI applications, AI chatbots, coding assistants, document Q&A, voice AI, AI automation, end-to-end AI projects. By the end of this series, you'll not only understand modern AI, but also learn how to build intelligent AI applications from scratch. So, if that sounds exciting, don't forget to subscribe and join me on this learning journey. Now, let's begin today's topic. What is an LLM? Hook, have you ever used ChatGPT and wondered, how does this AI actually understand what I'm saying? The answer lies in something called a large language model, or simply LLM. In the next few minutes, I'll explain what an LLM is, how it works, and why it's one of the most important technologies in artificial intelligence in the simplest way possible. Let's get started. What is an LLM? So, what exactly is a large language model? Simply put, an LLM is an AI model trained on an enormous amount of text. This includes books, websites, articles, research papers, code, documentation, and many other publicly available sources. During training, it doesn't simply memorize ready-made answers. Instead, it learns the patterns, relationships, grammar, and structure of human language. So when you ask it a question, it doesn't search the internet or look up a stored answer. Instead, it predicts the most likely next token, then the next one, and the next until it generates a complete response. Think of it like an incredibly powerful autocomplete that understands context. How does an LLM work? Let's understand what happens behind the scenes. Imagine you type, write a Python function to calculate factorial. Here's what happens. Step 1 Tokenization. Your sentence is first broken into smaller pieces called tokens. A token can be a word, part of a word, a number, or even punctuation. These tokens are what the model actually processes. Step 2 Understanding context. Next comes the transformer. The transformer looks at all the tokens together using a mechanism called attention. This helps it understand how every word relates to every other word in your sentence. Instead of reading words one by one, it understands the entire context. Step 3 Prediction. Now the model starts generating the answer. It predicts one token at a time. Each new token becomes part of the input for predicting the next one. This process continues until the complete response is generated. And all of this usually happens within milliseconds. Simple analogy. Think about your phone's keyboard. When you type good, it might suggest morning, luck, or night. That's because it predicts what you are most likely to type next. An LLM works using the same basic idea. The difference is that it has learned from billions of examples and understands context, meaning, grammar, and relationships between words. That's why it can answer questions, write code, summarize documents, and even hold conversations. Real-world applications. So where are LLMs actually used? Almost everywhere. ChatGPT and Gemini. GitHub Copilot, and Amazon Q language translation, email writing, content generation, customer support, document summarization, AI search, AI agents, virtual assistants. As an AI engineer, your job isn't just using an LLM. Your real job is connecting LLMs with APIs, databases, vector databases, external tools, and business logic to build useful AI applications. That's what companies are looking for today. Why should you learn LLMs? Here's the reality. Almost every modern AI application starts with an LLM. Whether you are building chatbots, coding assistants, document search systems, voice assistants, or autonomous AI agents, understanding LLMs is your first step. Everything else, prompt engineering, RAG, fine-tuning, AI agents, and MCPs built on top of this foundation. Quick recap. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. An LLM is an AI model trained on massive amounts of text. It learns language patterns instead of simply storing answers. It generates responses by predicting one token at a time. It powers many of today's AI tools like ChatGPT, coding assistants, and AI agents. Simple enough, right? अब इसी कॉन्सेप्ट को हिंदी में सिंपल तरीके से समझते हैं। LLM एक ऐसा AI मॉडल है जिसे बहुत सारी बुक्स, वेबसाइट्स, आर्टिकल्स और कोड पर ट्रेन किया गया है। ये सिर्फ आंसर्स याद नहीं करता। ये लैंग्वेज के पैटर्न्स और रिलेशनशिप्स को समझता है। जब आप कोई क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं तो पहले उस क्वेश्चन को छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स यानी टोकन्स में तोड़ दिया जाता है। उसके बाद ट्रांसफॉर्मर पूरे सेंटेंस का कॉन्टेक्स्ट समझता है। फिर AI एक एक टोकन प्रिडिक्ट करता है और धीरे धीरे पूरा जवाब जनरेट करता है। एक सिंपल एग्जांपल देखिए। अगर आप अपने फोन पर गुड टाइप करते हैं तो कीबोर्ड तुरंत मॉर्निंग या नाइट सजेस्ट करता है। LLM भी इसी प्रिंसिपल पर काम करता है, लेकिन बहुत ज्यादा डेटा और अंडरस्टैंडिंग के साथ। इसी वजह से ChatGPT, कोडिंग असिस्टेंट्स, AI चैटबॉट्स और AI एजेंट्स इतने इंटेलिजेंट लगते हैं। अगर आप AI इंजीनियर बनना चाहते हैं तो LLM समझना सबसे पहला और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप है। Outro. In the next video, we'll learn how ChatGPT actually works step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss the next lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.